Hello, happy morning to all my dear friends. Are you fine? And I bless to you. You remain safe and fine at your home. Friend, once again we move forward our same paper 10. Do you know the name of paper? Yeah, the history of English language. Unit 4. What the name of unit 4? Linguistic notes. And friends, in a short period of time, we complete our this unit because at least we have to complete a 13 or 14 topic of this chapter out of 20. And I think that you would like my style of asking the one question in the new topic which concern or related to the above videos. And I think that you would, most of the students watch the video and try to answer the question in our group. Because friend, due to that there is a correlation between you and me. Otherwise the teaching becomes the monotonous, tired, कंटाळजनक बनी जाए. Only I send the video, you watch the video. What is the meaning of that? And to make our study not teacher center, but to make our study student center, I try to make the change. That's why friends, I send quiz. I also give the assignment. I also try to make our study interesting and very fruitful. Okay, friend, we move forward. In unit 4, we study the new topic, and that's the Blitz. B-L-I-T-Z. Blitz. Friends, Blitz is a German word. You know about that? Blitz is the come from the German language. And you know about that English is an international language. That's why the most of all the languages of the world, they directly or indirectly influence on English language. Even our Indian language, you have to study about that. Loot, curry, sari, maranda, saju. These are the words and number of the other words. Jungle, they came into English language. In the same way, German language also influence on the English language. So this is the German words. It's in the German language that this is an English word, B-L-I-T-Z. But in the German language, the word is Blitzkrieg. What the word is, friends? Blitzkrieg. B-L-I-T-Z. K-R-I-E-Z. Here, the pronunciation and spelling of the word is quite different in German language, and that whenever that accepted in English language, it becomes the short. Only the bliss. Killing is the out. What is the meaning of the phrase? Bliss means a lightning word. Okay, we first of that lightning word, but we first try to understand the word light. The first word came in the mind. Light means tube light. Tube light nothing, and we use the light. So the light chali gayi in the sense of the electricity. Okay, friends. And the second word is heavy and light. Lightweight is upon. Mostly the girls like the purse. That always the lightweighted, heavy shape of lights. In the light, it like hard. So here, a lightning wall. It like a hard youth. The blaze words is the German words. It derived from German language. That means beginning, and the meaning of the word is a lightning word. We have to understand the context of the words. the history of world, there are the two great wars. First is First World War in 1914 to 1919. First World War is 1914 to 1919. After the 20 years, the gap of 20 years, the world faced the most terrible and severe and most catastrophic war, and it is called the Second World War in 1939 to 1945. And mostly you know about the Hitler, Nazis party, dictator Hitler of Germany of Hitler and England. The war between, and that time this method or this strategy developed by the in 1939. This strategy developed by the Germans. He made sudden attack whenever the army of, we can say that opponent or enemy army was, we can say, not prepared to defense or to re-attack. At that time, speedily, we can say the plane was enter in the area of the opposite party or opposite country, or we can say that enemy's area, and make them drop the, we can say that the hand-grenade bombs, and speedily they return to their area. It is called the Blitz. Here I can give the best example to you. I think that most of my dear friends watch the movie Uri. Do you watch the movie Uri? And here in this movie, the Indian army attacked on terrorist of Palakot, and where is the place I think that. And that time this operation is called the Blitz. So now that you can easily understand that they suddenly attack when the terrorists are not they are not aware of the attacks of the Indian army, and they killed them and they returns in India. It is called the Blitz. Further we can try to study that it is in 1930 Blitz is a new method of warfare. That time in 1939, the Blitz is a new kind of method for the army. They have attacks. In technical words, friends, we try to understand them. I just read it there. Blitz is a strategy which means or which is associated with series of quick and decisive short battles to deliver knockout blow to an enemy state. Here friends, a series of after 2 days, then after 2 or 3 days, once again they make their attack on the sudden. They enter in the armies of the opposite country and make the attack and return. One small example I want to give to you there. Pearl Harbor, a very famous movie. In Second World War, America dropped 2 atomic bombs in Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. Everybody remember about it then. But why did America drop atom bomb, not other country, only Japan? Because in the Second World War, Japan Blitz make a lightning war attack on the, we can say, the center of Navy, center of, we can say, Air Force of American countries, and it is known as the Pearl Harbor. And here Japan's army makes Blitz on Pearl Harbor, and due to take the revenge of this attack of Pearl Harbor, Air Force America dropped two atomic bomb in Japan in 1945. I think we once again get the short meaning of the words and get the glance. First, Blitz is a German word. We derive from German language. The meaning, in German language, Blitzkrieg is the meaning of that word, which means a lightning word or youth. That word came in English during the Second World War, 1939 to 1945. And during the Second World War in 1939, a new method of warfare applied or developed by German army, or the country of German army, the Nazis. They attack on the England sudden, and they can return to their own country. And this word is known as a Blitz, or we can use the Syrian air raid point, but not on the land, but it was on an air raid. It is also called the Blitz. Okay. In this video, I once asked the question. I think that we like this type. The question of Blitz is a German word. Give me the example of one or two words that came from German language in our English language. I think that we study about that one. I don't mention that we study already the one word. You once again hear that, write down your answer in group. One or two words of the German language came in English language. I wait for your answer. Okay, thank you, dear friends.